Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you know you haven't subscribed, please kindly do that. Now today we're going to be learning how to make this step neckline just like you can see. For this tutorial you need something to serve as your template. So I have a square shape here which is 7.5 inch wide and also 7.5 inch long. So the 7.5 inch that I cut out represent the shoulder measurement, which is 15 inches. Now I'll just be marking half an inch for my shoulder allowance. Now the next I went ahead to do was to determine how wide I wanted this to be. So I wanted to be at least 4.5 inch, and then I took half of my shoulder measurement, like half of whatever I had after that 4.5 inch. So I think I had about 2 inch, and then I'll just be marking it all the way down just like you can see. So basically half of what you already have as your shoulder should be what you get, and then I'll just be connecting the lines together. So after doing that, I'll be determining how long I want the step to be. So I'll be going down by 1 inch and I'll be going out by 0.75 inch. So I'll just be taking measurement like that all the way down. So after marking my point, I'll be going ahead to just cut it out. Now I actually used the carton for this tutorial and it's really thick. But I think if you use brown paper or any other type of pattern paper, it will be easier for you to work with. So I'll just be cutting it like so. And I also went ahead to observe my shoulder slope, in which I went down by half an inch. I just connected it to the top part. So I'll be using a template to cut on the gum stay. So I'll just be adding half an inch downward and just be cutting all the other parts too. So after, I'll just be tracing it just like you can see. And also, like I said, this carton was really thick to work with, but I had to just make do with what I have. So you have to be really careful at this point so that you can just get everything to be aligned together. So guys, after cutting it out, this is what I have, and then I'll just be getting the midpoint of my neck region so that I wouldn't make any mistake whilst ironing this hairstay to the back of it. So at the back area, I'll be placing it directly on at the back of my gum stay and lace, not at the lining part, because we'll be using the lining part to turn it. So just like you can see guys, I don't think you haven't seen because it's actually almost the same color. I went ahead to iron the gum stay to the neck region of this. So just like, and then I'll be stitching and making sure that my lining is in place whilst I'm joining it on my sewing machine. So while sewing, I made sure that my lining was properly placed together. If not, it will not come out nice. So I'm just sewing it like you can see, following that pattern. So guys, I did not know that my camera did not actually capture how I went about in turning this. So I'll just be flipping into the wrong side to show us what I did. So I basically first of all trimmed them, and then at that edge I just notched it directly there, just like if you are going to sew a v neckline, just notching it there. And that was what I simply did. So after turning to the right side, I'm going to go ahead to give this a good press. So this is how I'll just be using my fingers to bring out the step effects, and this is the final look guys. Thank you. If you enjoyed or learned something from this video, don't forget to drop a like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also comment. Thank you all and see you in my next video. Bye.